Motorola has just introduced another watch after many years of absence in the smartwatch market. Despite being one of the first to launch a device of this kind, it seems that Motorola is planning to release more devices with these features. They have previously done so with the Moto Watch 40, and now they are launching the Moto Watch 120, a device that features a round display. It does not have Wear OS but instead integrates its own operating system to extend battery life up to 10 days. The display is 1.43 inches with AMOLED technology, offering more than 100 sports modes, and is clearly focused on health monitoring, tracking sleep, also monitoring stress, and is capable of receiving notifications. It also offers more than 80 different watch faces for you to customize the watch. You can answer calls directly from it. It will support heart rate reading and also oxygenation reading. But the important thing here is that even though it does not have Wear OS as its operating system, it will have Gemini, which is the voice assistant that Google is trying to popularize as a competitor to ChatGPT. It will also connect with Google Fit, so you can have all your statistics collected in the Google app. In fact, it also features assisted GPS and supports automatic detection of some sports. If you're curious about the name of the operating system, it's very easy to guess its name. It's Moto Watchos, and this watch comes with Bluetooth 5.3, available in black, gold, and silver colors. It weighs 26 g and its thickness is 11 millimeters. It also has an IP rating for water and dust resistance, although despite being water resistant, many manufacturers with the same level of resistance recommend not showering with the watch on, as steam could affect this resistance. They also recommend not swimming with this watch, so consider that this level of resistance is more for accidental splashes or if it gets wet while washing your hands or other minor situations. So it is clear that it is not a high-end watch, but it is a good complement, especially for Motorola users who had been somewhat neglected in terms of accessories. However, lately, Motorola has done a better job by launching Moto Buds in Moto Watch. This watch has an announced price US $129.99, $9.99. It is available on Amazon and on the official Motorola website. It may be launched soon in other countries. Used.